How to change a contact photo on your Android phone. Updating a contact picture makes it easier to recognize who's calling or messaging you. To get started, open the Contacts app on your phone and select the contact whose photo you want to change. Next, tap the Edit button. Depending on your phone, you may see a camera icon, photo icon, or the current Add picture at the top of the screen. Tap it to continue. Now, choose whether you want to take a new photo with your camera or select one from your gallery. Pick the image you want to use, then adjust or crop it if prompted. Once you're happy with the preview, tap Save, Done, or the check mark to apply the new contact photo. And tap Choose. Your updated picture will now appear whenever that contact calls or messages you, and it may also sync across your devices if your contacts are saved to your Google account. And that's it. That's how you can change a contact photo on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.